Hello, this is Walt Williams with Suncoast RV Rental in Tampa, Florida. And today we're going to talk about the proper use of an RV toilet. Now you can say, gee, Walt, I've been using a toilet all my life. It's not like I don't know how to flush a tank. Well, an RV toilet is a little bit different than your home residential toilet. Okay, one thing you want to be sure of is to use RV marine toilet paper, which decomposes in the tank, because when you flush it just goes down into a reservoir tank, which is referred to as the black tank. Okay, but as I was saying, an RV toilet is a little bit different. As you see, there is no water tank. That's why a home water tank is called a water closet, whereas an RV, it's just the commode itself, so there is no water to kind of flush down. So after you use the commode and you have solids in there, you have a two-stage pedal flush in most cases, and you just want to hit that just a little bit in order to fill up the bowl. You want to make sure you have a lot of water in there in order to gravity feed and push any of the solids down there. Now, one thing is also critical is that you don't want to put anything in a commode that you have not consumed first, or the RV toilet paper itself. That's all that should ever go into an RV toilet. Otherwise, it will plug up. But after you use the commode, you want to make sure that you fill that bowl with a lot of water. You see how you have that little rim right there, and then push the pedal the rest of the way in order to flush. And you want to make sure you leave a little water residual just right there at the top to make sure that you have a good seal. But keep in mind that in an RV, it is not uncommon for those pipes to go down and then almost 90 degrees, and then down again before it dumps into the tank. So you want to make sure that you have enough water in there to get it through those angles, okay? Because you're better off to have to purge your black tank frequently than to call a service person at $150 an hour to unplug your tank, okay? Again, that's Walt Williams, Suncoast RV Rental in Tampa, Florida.